Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of Harley-Davidson's most iconic machines, the 2025 V-Rod. With its aggressive styling, insane performance, and modern upgrades, this bike is turning heads. Let's dive in and see what makes the 2025 V-Rod a must-have for any Harley enthusiast. Design and styling. The 2025 V-Rod maintains the bold and aggressive design the model is known for, but with subtle enhancements. The sharp, muscular lines and futuristic headlamp give it a modern look, while still respecting the classic Harley DNA. New color schemes and refined details elevate its presence, making it a showstopper on any road. Tech features. Harley-Davidson has equipped the 2025 V-Rod with modern tech to match its performance. The fully digital display offers clear readouts, while Bluetooth connectivity allows you to pair your phone for calls, music, and navigation. Adjustable riding modes help tailor the bike's performance to your riding style, ensuring a customizable experience every time you hit the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 V-Rod is the powerful Revolution Max engine. This liquid-cooled V-twin pumps out around 130 horsepower and 90 lb-ft of torque, delivering exhilarating acceleration and top-end power. Paired with a 6-speed transmission and improved throttle response, the V-Rod provides an unforgettable riding experience, whether you're carving through city streets or cruising on the open road. Comfort and handling. The 2025 V-Rod doesn't just look good, it rides even better. The updated suspension system provides improved comfort and handling, making it smoother over bumps and easier to control at higher speeds. The ergonomics are designed for longer rides, with a wide seat and optimized foot peg positioning, so you'll stay comfortable on both short commutes and cross-country trips. Pricing and availability. The 2025 V-Rod comes with a price tag starting around $20,000. For that price, you're getting top-tier performance, cutting-edge technology, and Harley-Davidson craftsmanship. It's available at Harley dealerships now, so if you've been thinking about upgrading your ride, this might be the perfect time. Conclusion. So there you have it, the 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod, a perfect blend of raw power, modern tech, and unmistakable Harley style. What do you think? Is the V-Rod your dream bike? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews and bike news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.